So hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video I am going to share you another new great token named Noble Finance, and the site link is noblefinance.me. As you know guys, there are many scam projects that come into the market and they scam very fast without paying our investment back. But Noble Finance is different from all. It is a very great trusted platform from a trusted admin, so you can invest in it. Noble Finance is a progressive definitely token built on the Binance Smart Chain, which rewards all holders through the fixed condition of 8% transaction fee on all transactions. 4% is distributed to all holders and 4% is burned on each transaction. Here you can check the BSC scan token Noble scan. You can check 100 quadrillion 1000 quadrillion NBF, and total addresses is 326 and transfer is 640. You can check the contract address here, decimal digit is 9. From here you can buy this token. It will take you to this pancake swap, and here you can buy this token. Like simply, if you wanna buy this, simply it will ask you to click here I understand, then simply click continue button, then connect. I have MetaMask, so I will select MetaMask here. Then it will simply ask you to log in. Do login. Then simply click unlock button here. And when you click unlock button here, like if you check, you can check NBF, BNB to NBF. Like if I want to buy from 1 BNB, this much of NBF I will get, so you can swap it from BNB to NBF. Then simply you will get swap button here, then simply do swap. Liquidity you have to do from yours, and you can check the white paper of this site is also there. You can read this white paper, all this white paper Noble Finance. You can check their Facebook, YouTube, and the site is here, and you can check the tokenomics overview and liquidity pool, and all this there is showed. So you can check the white paper here. You can get the contract address here, and when you go down you can check Noble Finance community driven token, automatic liquidity, static rewards. And when you see tokenomics here, you can check the token name is Noble Finance and token symbol is NBF. Token symbol is 9. In total supply is 1000 quadrennial, and marketing wallet fees 5%, developer is 4%, and charity donator is 3%. NFT marketplace Noble Finance plan to introduce secure NFT. As we all know, there is the era of NFT after DeFi. Our marketplace will be easy to use and operates with very low fees. You can check how to buy. I already showed you how to buy. You can read also from here. Make sure you tap on settings icon and write 10 to 15 for slippage tolerance. It will be added on 5, but you do 10 to 15 for instant swap. You can check the roadmap of this site here on 2021 research and all this, and you can check Noble Finance conceptualization, participation, NFT conceptualization, and you can check all this. Coming more is on question this. Copyright strike 2021 Noble Finance LLC, all right reserved. It's a very great token. If you want to buy, you can buy this token on PancakeSwap directly. It will surely go 1000 to 2000x. So make